In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Mailchimp with Squarespace. By following these steps, you will be able to connect your Mailchimp account to your Squarespace website for effective email marketing. Begin by navigating to the Squarespace website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Squarespace. Once the homepage loads, you should see the Squarespace logo prominently displayed at the top of the page, indicating that you are in the right place. Next, look for the settings option in the left sidebar of the Squarespace dashboard. This section is usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on settings will take you to a new page where various configuration options are available. After that, locate and select third-party tools within the settings menu. This option enables you to manage your integrations with external services. You should see a list of available tools and integrations displayed on your screen. Once you are wand when the third-party tools page, find and click on extensions. This option will allow you to view and manage all available extensions for your Squarespace site. The interface should show a list of extensions that you can add or configure. Then look for the Mailchimp email and SMS extension in the list. Clicking on this will open the specific settings for the Mailchimp integration. You should see options related to connecting your Mailchimp account and configuring its settings. Next, click on the Concept button to start the integration process. A prompt will appear guiding you to the next steps needed to link your Mailchimp account with Squarespace. Ensure that you are prepared to log into your Mailchimp account. Now select Let's Connect Your Mailchimp account. This option will redirect you to the Mailchimp login page. You should see a clear prompt indicating that you are about to connect your accounts. After that, click on Login to access your Mailchimp account. If you have not yet created an account, follow the prompts to set one up before continuing. Next, select Continue with Google. If you prefer to log in using your Google account, this option simplifies the login process, allowing for quicker access to your Mailchimp account. Once you are logged in, click on your email address displayed on the Mailchimp interface. This action confirms your identity and completes the linking process between Mailchimp and Squarespace. You should see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.